Hello, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my family recipe come from my grandmother. It's called spiced beef. This the beef I use. It's called the beef shank as a bone. Some don't. Step one, I'm going to open the package. I'm going to put in the water to soak it 2 to 4 hours. The reason for soaking this because there's so much like blood and something. During the 4 hours I'm going to soak in the water, just plain water. I'll change a couple times water. So now I'm going to change now, let it sit for a couple hours, then I'll change again. Okay, we're back after 4 hours of soaking this beef shank in the water. I see the water look very clean. Meantime, I changed it 3 times the water. See how clean it is? There's no blood or anything. So this is ready. You're going to set on the side. Now I'm going to introduce to you the ingredients, the spice I'm going to put in. We have a large amount of garlic. This I weigh 2 ounces of garlic. So right this, they're like small slices, pieces. Okay. So this is a large amount. I have, by the way, I have 3 pounds of the beef shank. So 2 ounces. This is a half head of garlic. Okay, that's about a half ounce. Then I have a few pieces of bay leaves. Then I have, this one is the peppercorns here. A few, I don't know, 40, 50 of them. I didn't count. Too many to count, probably 50. Then I have some paprika, a few that I broke. Okay, easier to make a taste go into the beef, so I break them. Then I have bay leaves. I think I mentioned that already. And then I have this one. It's called star anise seed. So you can find all of this easily in Chinese grocery. Well, good news for you is if you don't want to bother with any of this, this is good news for you. Go to any Asian supermarket. Ignore any of this. Put one little bottle in this 3 pounds. This 3 pounds of meat, and this is 1.1 ounce of this 5 spice powder. Just put them together. You're done. Okay. Put in the pressure cooker. First of all, this is cold water. Okay, cold water. I'm going to put all the pieces of meat here in. So now I'm going to turn on the stove to high. Since I'm here, so I'm going to put on high. At this time, I'm not putting the pressure. I'm not putting down the pressure. I just wait till it become boil. Then I'll clean up the pot. Then I'll put pressure. Let's wait till it boil. All right, this is after this become. I'm going to turn off the stove. All right, there are a lot of bubbles in it. The bubbles we need to clean up. I'm going to go to the sink to clean everything. So, out. All right, so all of them are out. We cleaned the pot. I washed it really well. I washed the meat as well. See how clean this is? I even want to eat some now. So I'm going to turn on the stove. Oh, no water. If I have water, now I need to add some oil. So I just have this little, make sure the oil is all spread on the bottom of the pressure cooker. All right. Then I'm going to put all the spice in here. Oh, a little bit water inside probably. Put all the spice. All this smells excellent. All the spice are ready. I'm going to put in the meat now. Now I'm going to put in hot water. This time must be hot water. Okay, the first time was cold water. Water should be covering the meat. All right. Cover up the pot. We're going to start doing the pressure. I'm adding the pressure here. Okay. After 30 minutes of cooking in the pressure pot, I turn off the stove. Oh, it's very good. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of white sugar. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon. Because I'm going to put more stuff for salt, so not to put too much salt. Light soy sauce. Okay, so go all around the pot. The dark soy sauce. Any brand name is fine. It's 1 teaspoon. They're all even. Okay, so I cooked for a little bit. It's hot, boil again. I'm going to try the taste again. And that's it. Okay, hi, welcome back. This meat is after in the fridge overnight. This is 1 piece of it. I have 6 such pieces. Now this is the final product. All I'm going to do is cut it and serve, ready to serve. Just cut as small as possible. This is the final product after cutting, after taking hours of cooking. So this is the final product. So ready to serve, ready to eat. It should be very good. Let me try some. Love it. Perfect. Good.